Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice Lego coffee machine. So let's start. First things first, we're going to get this. Place this on top. 1, 2, and 3 like so. And then place this, boom, like so. There we go. Like that. There we go. There we go, so here is the finished coffee machine. So here it is. As you can see here, you can put the cup here. Press these different buttons to get the milk and the coffee, and you can make your own Lego coffee. So, if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see my videos. Bye guys.